What is up, guys? Poncho's Daddy Bike Life here with another video. You guys might be wondering, why is my bike in the middle of the road and why am I holding a knife? Well, today we just got brand new back tire. Just got a brand new back tire from China. Actually from Amazon. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys the steps on how to put this on. It's not that hard. It's only the back tire because I'm responsible with the burnouts. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, let's open this baby up. We'll see how fresh and clean this tire is. My preferred tire is the Shinkos. And a bit fancy. Need the knife one more time.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I'm sweating. I was doing this for at least 5 minutes. But fresh new tire. I mean, honestly, it's from Amazon. Fresh quality. Let me show you guys what you guys need. So what you're gonna need is around 3 spoons. You can use 2, but 3 just makes it a little easier. A bottle of water and soap. A 12mm socket or wrench. I currently don't have it. I kind of lost it, but you can use anything. And then a 17mm socket for the till area to take off the wheel, and basically just a stand for the bike. I don't know what the size for Sur-On is. It might be different, but yeah, for till area. Now let's get to changing this wheel. First step, you gotta loosen the bolt on the right side of the bike where the chain drive is. I make my bolts very tight, and then you just want to hit it very lightly to bang out the axle. And then from here, once the axle's decently out, you kind of want to hold the wheel in place so you don't put the weight on the axle. Lift it up a little bit and just pull the axle out. And then once the axle's out, oh, my brakes are dirty. Pull the brake off. Now boom. And then the chain. Oh! Now your wheel's off. And I like to leave my chain usually right here so you don't get your chain dirty, or you don't forget to put your chain on, because I forget to put my chain on a lot. So once the wheel's off, you want to try to get all the air out from the tire. Takes a little. The bolts for the valve, just want to loosen that up. Get it nice and finger loose. Just take it out your finger. Boom, and it's out. Now you gotta break the bead. Basically breaking the beads, pushing it down. You could do it on either or side and do it on the other side. Makes it a little easier. What I do is I really just overdose on water and soap, because you do not want to pop the inner tube, especially if you don't have any spares. And it makes kind of the job a little just easier. And just get 2 spoons in there, and basically at the same time you just want to pull all 3 of them up. Just 3, and then boom, wheels loose. Add a little more soap and water. I mean, these are basically just tires, kind of just loose at this point. Yeah, I like doing it by hand because to me it's faster. You could do it both ways. It really doesn't matter. Boom. Other wheel's up. So now, once you got one side of the wheel off, you want to push the valve cap down so you're able to pull out the inner tube. Super easy. Let's get that. Then you're able to pull out the inner tube. And make sure while you're pulling out the inner tube, you do it very lightly so you don't pinch the inner tube, because pinching the inner tube sucks. And now, the wheel's off. Yeah, the whole entire inner tube, you just want to wet the entire inner tube. It makes it easier for it to slide in. You want a lot of air, you just want enough where the tube's kind of round. Now, once it's everything tightened up, should be your final product. Same way you took it off, same way you put it back on. Lift it up. Make sure this brake goes into that spacer, line it up, put the axle straight through, tighten the bolt. Honestly, I love the Shinkos so much because the Shinkos, you can be used for the dirt and the street. So that's why I recommend these. This is Pancho Day Bike Life. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, until next time.